A glimpse inside China's fast fashion workshops is rare. Places that cut and stitch and steam for a living. Thousands of items a day, fast, cheap, and destined for America. This type of operation has undercut US manufacturing for years, and it's now vulnerable. Workshops are based on streets like this, places that just feel ill-equipped to withstand what's coming. At least 54% taxes on all goods sent to America. Trade at that price is almost impossible. A massive market wiped out overnight. Their only answer, for now, we must look elsewhere.
Other places might have better business opportunities, right? For instance, Africa is always good. Anyone can survive without relying on just one other country.
At the end of the day, workers pour from the factories. The people really at risk. Millions here could be put out of work in an economy already struggling. Adverts for short-term contracts are a reminder. Many don't even have a stable job to lose. China has already vowed to respond. Earlier restraint now feels unlikely.
The unilateral tariff hikes by the US violate WTO rules, harm the common interests of people of all countries, and do not help solve the problems of the US itself. It is clear to everyone that more and more countries are opposing the US's unilateral bullying actions, such as imposing tariffs.
And the broader region is reeling too. Over 40% rates for low-income nations like Cambodia and Vietnam will hit especially hard. Many Chinese firms have relocated here to avoid American tariffs. Workarounds now not an option.
Authorities here now face a complex balancing act. Further escalation will be costly and they can ill afford it, but they don't want to be seen to be weak. Behind the scenes, frenzied negotiations are no doubt underway, and some sort of grand deal is not impossible. But even if one is reached, China will have taken a lesson from today. The US is not to be trusted, and a further decoupling of the world's two biggest economies is almost certainly on the cards.
Experts here say such an outcome might even be desirable.
The trade pattern between the United States and China is not going to be sustainable economically and politically. We're preparing for this, that we can't rely on the US market forever. The party is going to end. This probably is going to end a little bit earlier than a lot of people expect.
Exports account for a fifth of China's economy. An ability to produce and to sell has always been its superpower. It is a behemoth that can adapt. The question is, how quickly? Helen-Ann Smith, Sky News, Beijing.